everyone, welcome to our virtual class of class 5 subject English, and this is your book. So it's a cover page of your book, and first of all I want to congratulate you all for being upgraded from class 4 to 5. And as I am Srijna Gupta, your English teacher, I will teach you English subject, and this is your textbook. This is the cover page of book. I hope you all have book. If you don't have, please, as soon as possible, contact in the nearby stationery. We have provided our book list. You will easily get the books. So please, as soon as possible, buy this book. And in this textbook, there are altogether, let's see how many lessons. Altogether 12 lessons are there, and among this lesson today we are going to learn the first unit expressing wants. Each lesson contains 4 basic language skill. First one is the speaking skill, and the second reading skill, and the third is writing skill, and the fourth one is listening skill. So among those skills, today I am going to teach you speaking skill. Number 1 is speaking skill, expressing wants. So dear students, this is in this lesson we are going to learn speaking skill by expressing our wants. First, we have to be clear about wants. What is wants? The word W-A-N-T as wants. What does it mean? Do you know what this want means? Anybody please? Want means our need, our desire or demand. The word want means our wish or demand. Sometimes you people used to tell to your parents, "Oh father, I want an ice cream. I want to be a doctor. I want to go Pokhara." So you express your want by telling this. Whatever you want, whatever you wish for, whatever you demand, you used to tell to your parents or express in a shop, express in some places. So there are 4 things. There are 4 ways to express our demands. One is I want. Number 1, I want an ice cream. I want an ice cream. And I want, this is the structure. I want an ice cream is a thing. So if you want something, you have to use the structure I want, and here you have to write the things. You have to place the things that you want. And another structure is I want to go then place. Here let's see place. I want to go to school. I want to go to a school. So this is a place. If you want to go somewhere or some place, then you have to use the structure. I want to go. I want to go to. Then you can add your place where you willing to go. And so another structure is here. Number 3, another structure is here. Being somebody. I want to be a doctor. So I want to be a, if you want to be somebody, a doctor is somebody. So if you want to be somebody, you have to use the structure I want to be. That is a doctor. Doctor is somebody. Somebody. Doctor is somebody. So if you want to be somebody, then you have to use the structure I want to be. Again, I'm going to revise. If you want anything, then you have to use the structure I want. Then put down the things. Then after, if you want to go any place, anywhere, so you have to use the structure I want to go to then place. Then after, if you want to be somebody, I want to be a doctor. And another, the last structure I'm going to tell you, that is, if you want to do any action, you have to use this structure. I want to. I want to, then which action you want to do, that you have to place here. I want to sing a song. Do you want to sing a song? I hope you will like to sing a song. I will give you a chance to sing. So this is the action. This is the action. So with the action, I want to. Then action, what do you want to do? That doing action you have to place here. And if you want to be somebody, then you have to use the structure I want to be. Then what you want to be, you have to place here. Here. Then if you want anything, then I want only. I want. I want. What thing do you want? That you have to write here. And if you want to go some places, you have to write I want to go to. Then which place you want to go, you have to write here. So I hope you understand the structure. Today in this video, I'm only teaching you structure. For thing, we have to use I want. Then you have to place the thing. And for place, if you want to go to any place, where do you want to go? If somebody asks you, where do you want to go? Then you have to use I want to go to. Place, which place you willing to go, that you have to write. And if you want to be somebody, you have to use this structure. I want to be, and what you want to be, that you have to write here. And if you want to perform any action, if you want to perform any action, you have to use this structure. I want to sing a song. Sing a song. Singing a song is a process or action that you will need to do. Now, following this structure, you have to make any 5 sentences. Please, using this structure, make any 5 sentences of your one. Thank you.